guys, I get a lot of questions on how I do my hair, and I'm going to finally show you guys. So I only use a few tools, but let's get right to it. Okay, so my hair has already been prepped. Basically, I let it air dry, and I just kind of blow dry it straight a little bit. So this is what it looks like afterwards. I am just going to use a paddle brush to brush it out. Normally, I also like to put in some hair mousse. My favorite is the Sebastian whipped cream. To me, it just adds a lot more volume and also helps the curls stay a lot longer throughout the week. But generally, my hair does hold curls really well. So this style will last me pretty much 3 to 5 days, depending on when I feel like washing my hair. Okay, I'm going to put some of this Bumble oil in here. This helps to keep the hair hydrated, make sure my ends aren't looking crusty, and protect it from all the heat that I'm about to put in it. Alright, so I like to just section off my hair using these good old hair ties. I literally just pick one up every time I'm at the studio that I work out at because I always forget to bring a hair tie. So I'm just going to section off my hair. Okay, so I am using this Beachwaver S.75. So this gives you 3/4 of a curl. This iron has a rotator, and there's like a home button so you can get it back to the original spot. I have it on the fast rotator. If you're a little bit of a beginner of this iron, you might want to put it to slow, or you're having some trouble, just don't want your hair to get caught or something. But basically, you clip the ends of your hair and you rotate the iron. Clip the ends of your hair, press the button, and it does all the work for you. Do this to my hair maybe about 2 or 3 times a week. All depends on my hair washing schedule and workout schedule. But my curls, when I do this, my hair holds really well. So there's not a lot that I really have to do once it's set. Maybe throughout the week I'll just put some more of the oil in there on the ends just to make sure they look hydrated. But you don't have to make everything like super uniform with this look, which I like because for instance, the ends, you can leave them out straight if you want, but if you want more of a tidier look, you can just curl them all the way.
Alright, as you can see, I'm just curling my entire head, and this is such an easy process with the help of the automatic rotator. It usually takes me about 20 to 30 minutes to curl my entire head, which is pretty quick considering how much hair I have and it's super thick. goodness, we are finally done curling my entire head. The curls are pretty tight. We're done, right? Not quite. So, what we're gonna do next is spray it down with the living proof full dry volume blast hairspray. This is my favorite hairspray to give hold without the crunch and extra boost of volume as well. Alright, this is everyone's favorite part, when you run your fingers through the hair to reveal all the hard work that you've done. Yes, look at that volume though. Alright, thought we were all done? Not quite. So, we're going to add a little bit more shine back to the hair with Bumble and Bumble's Hairdresser's Invisible Oil. Wow, look at that. Alright, we're all done now. Hope you guys enjoyed it. See you guys next time. Bye bye.